Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So if you are new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and join the channel. Okay, so right now it's like 7 o'clock in the morning and it's the 10th of February, the Tibetan New Year. So I'm so excited for it, and it is day one to start a fresh year. So right now I'm going to get ready along with you guys. I've washed off my face and I'll put moisturizers on first. Yeah, this is a kind of get ready with me video. So yeah, I have wanted it to do in such a long, but I couldn't. So this time I'm gonna do it anyhow. Yeah. For hands too. For sunscreen, I use this Fix Range Shadow. Yeah. I made my nails and it's so hard to open everything. You know, if you guys want to make nails like this, like pretty nails, you can comment in the comment section. I can share you the page which made the nails. This is the sunscreen. I have gained a little bit of it, but then it's okay. It's totally okay. I'm gonna apply a little bit of lipstick, like small palangay indicator kinchada indicator. I pencil dojo the. I told her to get my eye curler and eyebrow liner. So yeah, I'm going to apply a little bit of lipstick. Just to make sure I look, you know, I'm a little bit of yellow skin person, yellowish person. Dela, in water dam la dwa. In water dam la dwa. She didn't find my curler. I apply this lipstick so that, you know, my face looks more clean. I'll be doing a little bit of eyebrows because my eyebrows are so light. I don't like doing much. I'm not so professional. Like, I'm not so good in doing makeups. I don't know, do on my face on daily basis. Not daily, like I do put sunscreen and moisturizer and color my lips every day, but so that is it for my face get ready. If you like it, that's okay. If you don't, that's okay. Yeah, bye bye. And now I'm gonna wear my Tibetan dress, like Tibetan or yeah, okay. So guys, let me know how do I look. I feel pretty, but then look at my double chins. Okay, I've put on the bonjour, like look at the color. Oh my god, these are same. I'm going with a black chuba. Like this is the black chuba, which is going to be red. I think that suits a lot. Yeah. Here is my grandfather with the shop. Losar just there. Okay, he's fixing it. Hi! Yeah. let me show you the overall look. And I think I did my. I'm going to braid my hair. Gosh, I just leave it like this. I know this part is not too full. I don't know. I have to really fix it. Like this part is so thick. Let me show you guys the overall looks of the Tibetan chuba that I'm going to wear it for Tibetan boat. Okay? Okay.
Losar taşı deli.
Çakmalar Losar taşı deli. Nadan ye. Popone.